get ready with me to go to bed. I'm just gonna take a bath. So I'm done taking a bath. Now it's time to toothbrush. Now I'm doing my toothbrush. So I'm just like toothbrush now. So I brought more thing. It's just paint. It's really off. I'm now done. Now it's time for this thing. I forgot what the name, but it's like just like if you can read it backwards, it's just like that. So just like I'm gonna leave it open behind you, and I'm gonna put this in my mouth and gargle it for 10 seconds. Ah! Okay guys, I'm done now and time to drink gamot. So my gamot is Ascof. But I think there's other one. I forgot about the name. But I think it's just Ascof. Actually guys, I'm actually not gonna use gamot tomorrow only. Because my mom said not gamot ng gamot. In Tagalog, bro. Why? How time to brush my hair. Guys, I'm done brushing my hair, but look at my hair. It's so long. I'm gonna cut it like from this to this. I don't know. I forget. Nah. I have one here now. Now I'm spreading it. And it here also. Time for a bed. I'm gonna off the lights. Ooh, transition. See. Okay, I'm gonna watch till I go to sleep. That's what I'm gonna do every day, and I pray. Bye.